Now you guys know we've been spending a lot of time on the new Nissan Z. We have SEMA coming up less than 30 days from now, and we are not only going to be unveiling the 400Z as a wide body kit for Street Hunter, but we are also going to be doing the same with our BRZ because Street Hunter has an amazing wide body kit for that car. We've been so busy with all the other stuff going on that I never even got a chance to showcase to you guys the complete stock body catalog for the BRZ and GR86. So today I have the rest of the pieces of this photo, and we are gonna be installing all the pieces. We're gonna go over it from top to bottom, and we are gonna completely transform this BRZ. We already took off all the STI pieces that we added onto this, and it's time to give it the Street Hunter flair. So if you guys don't follow the Street Hunter Designs Instagram, it's right here, go do it. This is our hood design for the GR86 and BRZ. We wanted to add just 2 vents on each side, but you know, still keep it nice and clean, didn't really want to overcomplicate it. We ended up going with this. I absolutely love it. Now, in the past, we've only done carbon hoods on the top. We wanted to push it a little bit farther as a company, so what we did is we added carbon to the underside. So this is our first double-sided carbon hood. It is absolutely beautiful, but more carbon means it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. So I reached out to you guys on Instagram, and you guys actually voted for a second version of this hood that just has carbon on the vent. So this hood is available in 2 different options. It's available in the full double-sided carbon, and it's also available in our partial carbon, which is essentially FRP everywhere else, and then it's carbon just on the vents for those who are gonna wrap it or paint it. Let's be real, that's what mostly everyone's gonna do. This is the first piece that we are going to install today. Let's get after it. It looks insane. Fire. This looks amazing. I love that we kept the stock body line through the actual hood, and the vent placement, I don't know, it works really, really well. Big fan of it. When you look at front on, you have the carbon lip with the carbon hood. It just pairs so well together. This hood is such a good looking hood. I'm actually torn on if for SEMA I want to keep it all carbon.
I would keep it carbon, it looks so good.
Really?
100%.
I guess let's hear it from you guys down below. Do I keep it carbon or do I leave it painted? I think this painted is so clean, but the carbon goes hard, for sure.
Because you're gonna keep this car, I hope you don't.
I don't think I'll ever get rid of this car.
So if you're gonna keep this car, like this should be a thing for months, and then when that's done, you know.
The next piece of the puzzle is gonna be our fender garnish. This is an add-on piece, where we used to have a little STI tape-in spot, and it's now gonna get replaced with this piece, and it fits in ever so perfectly right here. My favorite thing about this is not only do you get like a great piece of carbon, from the side perspective, I'll get a different shot for you guys. It looks like it's an actual vent, and it adds a lot of like width to the front end. There's a lot of dimension. When you come from this perspective right here, like it looks like an actual vent. Super cool. Absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and put it on. This next piece is the rear bumper cap. It's a lot bigger than the STI version, and it's obviously covered in carbon. It really follows the width and kind of styling with the side skirt cap. This was a little piece that I really wanted to make happen the way I saw it in my head. When I was working on this piece with John, our lead designer, one of the biggest things that I hate about this car, they have this beautiful side skirt style right here, but if you look over my shoulder, get a shot, Anthony, there's like this huge gap right here, and I always felt that looked really awkward. And I was like, the STI piece put a little cap here, but I was like, if someone made something just to fill that zone and continue the width, it would look a lot better, which was the birth of this piece right here. It's rather large, and it's done on purpose so that when it fits on the car, that whole entire zone gets filled out. I just feel like it really completes the lower side skirt and is absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and install this. This next piece is the side skirt extension. This was something that was a pretty big requested item from Instagram. I typically don't run side skirts, on stock body, but I have something similar on my RX-7, and then when I saw everyone asking, I was like, all right, we'll make something, and it will actually help fill up the front a little bit. So as we mock it up, this side skirt can be ran with the side skirt cap, or it can be ran without it. The design works either way. Obviously, we're gonna run them together, and I think it looks super, super good. And there's a little fin up there in the front. Just a little more zhuzh. A little more zhuzh. Say it.
Zhuzh.
Say it again.
Zhuzh. You're like, zhuzh. Zhuzh.
It's got a little more zhuzh. Zhuzh. It's got a little more zhuzh. Let's get some zhuzh on the car. The one to say it, because like I love the wide body and all, but I seriously think the stock body Street Hunter kit is almost cooler than the wide body. We're about to start cutting this car up for SEMA, and I'm excited about it, but I don't know, something about this whole entire kit, the way it all flows, I love it. It looks so good. I really hope I start to see a lot of them around different. Ooh, I forgot I had this stash, right? I'm on the vlog camera. I was like, damn, that's a thick stash. Anyways, I'm excited to hopefully start seeing some. There's been a lot of hype around the Instagram, and I'm floored, dude. It looks so good. I wish you guys could see it in person, because in person, everything always looks a million times better. And I keep trying to get rolling shots of the car, and Calvin knows that. We're driving to my house now, and he's being a little chotch, and he's trying to outrun me, so I can't get a roller. So if I don't get a proper roller of this car, just know it's Calvin's fault, because he's being a little chotch right now. He thinks he's so funny that he's trying to dodge me as I'm filming clips. Sabrina just picked up her C8 today from Chevy. For those who didn't know, when she was getting a service done on her Corvette a couple weeks ago, they accidentally ran through one of the lift arms and damaged the front bumper and ruined the lip. Sabrina doesn't have the front lip on right now. I have to install that in the next couple days, but we just got this back. And this is the first time I think I've seen both the C8 and the BRZ together with a full stock body catalog from Street Hunter, which is really cool. I mean, minus the lip, obviously, but I thought it was really cool, so I kind of want to run over it. So we have the hood, we have the side skirt, we have the hood, we have the side skirt. The C8 has the extended vent, and on the BRZ, we have the Fender garnishes, and we also have the side skirt caps. Very, very cool. Have the front lip. There's no front lip here, but you guys know there's a front lip. It's actually on that C8 over there. And then on the rear, we have a carbon fiber diffuser. And on the rear, we have the rear bumper caps, no diffuser, sorry. And we have the duck bill, and then we have the duck bill. And they're both on TEs, which is, I guess, TE the world, right? That is just so cool. Big accomplishment. I saw that and I drove up and I was like, huh, that's kind of something. Also, I don't think I said this, but all of these parts are now available. If you have a BRZ or a GR86 and it's a stocky boy, and you want to keep it stock body, you can go to StreetHunterDesigns.com, and all of these pieces that you saw us throw on today are all available for purchase right now and in stock, ready to ship. So go nuts, guys, because this stuff is amazing. I have every single Street Hunter Designs part ever created here with us right now, which is really cool. We have our RX-7 hood. We have the full C8 wide body Street Hunter. So cool. Absolutely love this with the new side skirt editions. Don't mind the blue tape. I didn't want to get rock chips. And then we have the Supra. Still a cop car, haven't taken it off yet. We have the wide body Supra, BRZ, C8. So cool, so cool. I literally have everything here right now, which is awesome. I never thought I would actually own a wide body company or an aero company at all. It's been a lot of learning, been a lot of mistakes, a lot of improvement. We don't do everything right, but we learn from feedback and learn every single time. And And it was not easy to do, but we were able to do it because we just like jumped in head first, one step at a time. So hopefully you guys out there who want to like jump after something new or kind of just create anything, like, I don't know, for me, I'm kind of in heaven right now. I'm surrounded by like all this hard work, but we're not perfect. We don't know what we're doing on everything, but we are trying and we are improving, which I think is the most important thing. And we like to consider ourselves like the future of design and an arrow for like what's to come over the next 10 years. We'll get better every year and we'll improve every year, and that's the mindset everyone should have, because you're gonna suck at whatever you do the first time you do it. You're gonna be bad at it. You don't have a lot of experience, but you're gonna get better over time. And that's the key to everything in life, right? So hopefully maybe this little segment in this video is making me be like, damn, maybe I should go out and do that one thing I've been thinking about. Because TJ did it and it's working out pretty well. So dope, so sick, dude. Sabrina and I are about to go to dinner and we're gonna take her C8 tonight. And we just noticed, and I actually noticed this before, and I hope I can get this on camera. All of her interior on the inside is starting to bubble. And around the edges of the interior, like look at the heads-up display, see all those like exposed cracks and seams? All of that is starting to, the fabric, all the adhesive glue is starting to deteriorate, and it's like a little trampoline. I can like press the mesh down, and I think it's drying and it's pulling everything out, and it's like exposing the cut seams. Have any of you guys dealt with this before on a C8, or have you seen it on any Chevys? Do you guys know if that's something I can go to the dealership and like maybe get that covered under warranty? Because their whole entire interior, even the passenger island right here, is starting to do it too. This is I mean, no offense, this is a $100,000 car.
Yeah,
and
that should not
like,
be happening.
No, like this is all bubbling. You guys see that? And even worse up here, watch. Let me see if I can get a camera angle. You can see the bump. All that right there is not stuck down. That's like a little trampoline.
The heck?
Man. And all right here.
Well,
and all right here. Wow, I don't know. Leave some comments down below. If anyone has any feedback, I truly appreciate it. We came to a ramen restaurant for dinner, and we just saw that on the menu. If anyone was curious, TJ can order some octopus balls.
Should we order it just to try it?
No.
Come on.
I'm not gonna try that.
It's only $7 if we
I'm not trying that.
I'll try it.
No way.
1 to 10, you'll try it.
I'm not trying that.
1 to 10 if we get the same number we ordered. 3, 2, 1, 6.
Whoa. I got some ramen in prep for my Japan trip later this month. Sabrina just told me that she's gonna come on the Japan trip too.
Some of you guys have DM'd me, been like, are you coming to Japan with TJ? And I'm like, no.
This looks fire. Okay, I need to put you guys on. Marufuku Ramen in Del Mar, 10 out of 10. I haven't had ramen this good since I was in Japan 3 years ago.
So
Sabrina
good.
says the same.
So good.
This place was insane. Come here if you want good ramen in San Diego. I should have filmed on the drive home because she drives like a maniac and I'm sick to my stomach right now. I ate too much and that driving literally made me sick.
What can I say? I'm a race car driver.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh God. I'm actually not feeling that good. I'm gonna be real with you. This is one of my favorite times of the day. When we come home and this little guy is so excited. Well, okay. He normally is, I swear. Hi, Kona. Vlog misses you. Hi. Hi, Blue. You wanna come say hello? No? Okay, now he wants his little. You're such an attention whore.
TJ and I got home. We were gonna go to bed like we normally do when we get home, but then I was like,
I was gonna get in bed.
hey.
I'm tired.
TJ was gonna get in bed, but I was like, why don't we play a little Mario? So here we are. TJ's really, really bad at this game. I know you guys are gonna come through and know exactly what I'm talking about. This is like the newer version of what used to be on the Nintendo 64, like way back in the day. And I'm a beast at this game.
She's actually so, I think I've said this on the vlog before.
I'm so good at this game because literally me and my sister have been playing since we were like 6 years old. So I'm gonna teach TJ how to play in hopes that one day he might maybe get up to my skill level and be able to play with me. We've been playing this game for 5 minutes and I gave TJ the easiest character. His name's Nabbit and he can just like run through shit like he does not die. TJ's still, I need you to just watch, okay? I'm Mario, TJ's Nabbit.
How are they gonna watch?
Wow! I'm a legend.
I'm done carrying Sabrina and Mario Party for tonight. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you are a fan of the BRZ, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below because I'm so stoked on it. If you have a BRZ or GT 86, check out StreetHunterDesigns.com and check out some of the parts if you want to pick them up yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.